Hi, I'm Anita from Needles and Hooks, and today I'm going to show you how to do the post-stitch rib in crochet. Now, what I'm using today is a size 4 worsted weight yarn and a US 6mm size J hook. So I'm going to go and start. It's an easy repeat. It's a 1-row repeat with 1 setup row. So we're going to make a slip knot and get it on our hook. The multiple for this is a 2-stitch multiple plus 5. So I'm going to chain 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So row 1 is a setup row, and we're going to double crochet in the 4th chain from the hook and in each chain across. So I'm going to yarn over, count to 4, 1, 2, 3, 4th stitch here, I'm going to insert my hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now this 3 chains right here will act as your first double crochet now and throughout, and any chain 3 will act as your first double crochet. So I'm going to go across, I'm going to yarn over and double crochet in each chain. Three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Chain 3, 2, 3, and turn. That counts as my first double crochet. So we need to do a series of front posts and back posts in this row here. So for row 2, we're going to do a front post double crochet. I'm going to yarn over, and you're going to go around this stitch. Insert from one side and up through to the next side. Yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now the start of our stitch pattern repeat, it will be a back post double crochet and then a front post double crochet. I have a hard time doing the back posts, but we're going to work through it. So I'm going to yarn over, coming from the back of the work in between the stitch, and then go through the other side of the stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And now we're going to do a front post double crochet. So yarn over, insert from the front underneath and through the other side of the stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And now back post again. Yarn over, going from the back of the work. Let's make sure we don't skip one. So here's this one. In through the back, come out the front, and then out the back through the other side of the stitch. Yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And now we have a front post. Yarn over, pull up a loop, pull through 2, pull through 2. Now our back post, back of the work, pull up a loop, pull through 2, pull through 2. Now a front post, back post, another front post, back post, and a front post, and then we're going to double crochet in the top of this 3 chain space, yarn over, insert in the top as best as you can, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And we're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then turn our work. And we're just going to repeat row 2. So we're going to first do a front post double crochet, and it's going to be a little tricky to see the stitches. You can tell it's right here. So we're going to do a front post double crochet, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now a back post, coming from the back of the work around the front of the stitch and then through the back, the other side of the stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over. Let's not slip our stitches, pull through 2, back post. Now we do a front post, and a back post. Let's see where the end of my stitch is. There. Oops, lost my yarn over. Loop. Front post. Back post. Front post. Back post. Nope, lost it. Let's try that again with our back post. Front post. Back post. And front post. Let's try it a third time. And then double crochet in the top of that chain 3. And if you want to continue with this pattern, you're just going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Turn your work. And there we have it. This is our front post and back post, our post stitch rib. You can use this for like the bottom of sweaters or cuffs, or wherever you feel like you need some kind of front and back post texture. And there we have it.